groundbreaking Hawaii to conduct emergency nuclear aid attack siren test within hours. The siren test will occur on December 1 from 11:45 am to 12:15 p.m. local time in Hawaii. It follows an announcement by North Korea that it had successfully tested a nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile that can hit all the U.S. mainland. Hawaii authorities fear the islands are a likely target. Earlier, Hawaii's Emergency Management Agency Administrator Vern Maggi said, "Hawaii is a likely target because we're closer to North Korea than most of the continental United States. As we track the news and see tests, both missile launches and nuclear tests, it's the elephant in the room. We can't ignore it. The people of Hawaii need to know what Hawaii is doing in preparation for this." Hawaii's EMA recently tweeted, "Reminder, the state's monthly test of the statewide outdoor warning siren system is scheduled for Friday, December 1 at 11:45 a.m. The agency in a statement added, "During this test, all warning sirens will sound a 1-minute attention alert signal, steady tone, followed by a 1-minute attack warning signal, wailing tone. This will be the first month for the reinstatement of the attack warning signal testing. The attention alert signal informs residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency, or if in a coastal inundation area, evacuate to higher grounds. The attack warning signal directs residents to seek immediate shelter and remain sheltered in place until an all-clear message is broadcasted over radio or television." The last time the island's alarm sounded was the Japanese Air Force attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941, which left 2,403 Americans dead. The death toll from a Kim Jong-un ordered nuclear missile attack is likely to be far greater. More follow.